If I told you you could get a glow in 10 seconds or less, would you love it? I think so. I want to introduce to you a product that I love called the Skin Glow Duo. It comes in 3 different duos. This one is Moonlight, which is a pink with a pearly ivory color. This is Sunset, which is a coral gold and a champagne color. And then we have Sunkissed, which is a pearly bronze and a pearly gold color. Now these are not meant to be a blush and a glow. You have 2 glows that complement each other, and you can either wear them individually or you can wear them as a 2-tone ombre. So I'm going to show you how to get that glow instantly, just like that. The cult favorite shade is the Moonlight. You can see it right here. And it is a beautiful pearly pink with a complementary pearly ivory glow. And I kid you not, it is so easy to use. All you're gonna do is take your middle finger or your ring finger. I like to use my middle finger. Just like to tab it into the product and just apply it on my cheekbone. Now, if you don't know where to go, all you're gonna do is just feel where your cheekbone is, and that is where the glow goes. It's where the light hits. So you just want to apply it on your cheekbone and think of it like a C. You wanna do a C. So you can either just do it with the one color, or you can add the lighter shade and kind of just put it on the side like you're doing a C, and then just kind of blend it. The other thing I like to do, if I want to add like a little bit more of color, is I like to take my luminous face powder in Deep or any regular blush that you love, and I like to just apply a little bit of the powder right on top. Now normally you don't want to put powder over a cream product, but with the Skin Glow Duo you can, and there's no problem. I just popped a little bit of the glow on the bridge of my nose and the tip, just so everything looks complete. So these are the Skin Glow Duos. I hope you love them. You can get a glow literally in seconds. It's just that easy. Bye.